In a quiet neighborhood, a family of three, web app, and DB app, lived in a spacious detached house. Each member enjoyed the luxury of having their own room, unlimited privacy, and exclusive access to all the amenities. But as seasons passed, the reality set in. They hardly used all the space, and the utilities ran high, regardless of their modest demands. The house, though powerful, remained largely underutilized. Change swept through the world, and soon, the family found themselves moving into a bustling condo building. Web app, and DB app occupied a cozy apartment, sharing the overall structure with other families living above, below, and beside them. Their own space was private, but the gardens, parking, elevators, and maintenance were communal. Now, every neighbor made efficient use of shared resources, and the family appreciated the balance of privacy and practicality. As technology raced ahead, the next move brought the family to a vibrant hostel. Inside a single large room, web app, and DB app each shows a bunk bed stacked directly atop one another. All around them, other families did the same, filling up adjacent bunk beds. Here, everyone shared the same kitchen, lights, fans, and bathrooms. There were no solid walls for separation, just a set of rules ensuring each inhabitant kept to their own space, never colliding with others. Life was streamlined. Each member had what they needed without any waste. Everything ran much faster, and resources were distributed with incredible efficiency. Through these three stages, the journey from the lavish detached house to the communal condo, and finally to the agile hostel, mirrored how the world evolved in hosting applications. Physical servers began as powerful but inefficient homes. Virtualization introduced communal living without sacrificing privacy. Containerization, like the hostel, delivered speed, flexibility, and optimal resource sharing, a testament to progress driven by smarter isolation and collaboration.